morning team, it is a beautiful bright Saturday morning. As you can see, the sun is shining, the forecast is good. We are heading off to the famous Gizzy Rere Falls. It is a beautiful waterfall, and yeah, we've got the crew here, my gorgeous little niece Ariana and my sister Zoe. I'm driving in the wagon, or driving us in the wagon. And yeah, it should be a good day. Whether or not we get in the water, I'm hoping to, but I'm also very nervous about how cold it's going to be. So, are you going to get in the water?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah, I got my togs on.
Maybe we'll see some eels?
No.
maybe a tunny far?
You're going to catch one, babe?
I don't know about catch one. Eels do freak me out, if I'm honest. I've definitely had a couple of encounters and yeah, not too good.
Bit slithery.
Bit slithery. Ugh. But yeah, so we're going to get on the journey. It's about a 40-minute trip out of Gisborne. And yeah, I will take you along the journey. I hope you enjoy the video. Right, so now we're at the Rockslides, which we are walking to. This is about just like a 2-minute drive down from the falls. And it's been a fair few years since I've been to the Rockslide. Usually you can take like a little boogie board or something to like slide down the rock hill. I don't think we'll be doing that today, but yeah, let's check it out. So cool down there.
How was that?
Into the snacks.
Seen a couple of young guys go down on their slides. It does look cool, like it, you know. I'd be quite keen, but yeah, we just don't have a boogie board because it is safe.
What are you going to go down on?
It is safe.
It looks safe-ish.
Well, it's safe until you come off.
Yeah, I suppose. Has there been people come off? You
Yeah.
reckon? Surely, eh?
Time.
Yeah. Has anyone like seriously hurt themselves out
People
here?
down on big tyres.
Yeah, one of the guys down there has a tyre. Oh, it's over there.
It's a bit small though. I would want something quite large. Like that mattress look cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah, mattress.
Yeah.
So we're having a bit of a midday picnic. We got some bacon and
very
egg
good.
pie leftovers from Mum's house, and then we've got some little chippies.
Just tastes like burger sauce.
All right, team. So what did we think of our little Saturday adventure?
Well, no one went swimming.
No.
No, it was too cold.
We've seen people sliding down the rock.
We just hung out and ate.
Yeah, and had a good time in nature.
Yeah.
Ari?
It was very cold. And that's it.
Very exhilarating
The
review.
fresh air is
Jess?
lovely though.
What's
No.
your thoughts?
Super wholesome. I think it was a very nice time. But yeah, we're gonna head back into Gisborne now and
Take a
do
nap.
yeah. But it was very, very lovely. I enjoyed the moment with you guys. But yeah, until the next vlog, we are leaving Gisborne very soon. We just have to tidy up the van and we will be heading to Napier Hastings and exploring that region. So yeah, we look forward to that and I will be posting about it. So keep a lookout for updates and yeah, catch y'all again soon. Peace.
Bye.